In times of depleting natural resources, the energy crisis we face is huge and the situation alarming. It is not only wise but imperative that we now look towards harnessing more reliable and responsible source of renewable energy.
We are into manufacturing and it requires lots of energy. And my management, they wanted to reduce that energy part, and we wanted to contribute something towards the environment as well. And we were not getting like the kind of scenario in Haryana is, we are not getting energy round the clock. We were looking for something better, and then solar energy came into our mind.
Havells India Limited understands the need of the hour and is committed towards continuously providing efficient, cost-effective and environment-friendly energy solutions. A significant step in this direction has been our alliance with Solar Edge, the global providers of solar PV solutions, to offer a combination of products with cutting-edge technology for grid-tie solar PV solutions. This symbolic alliance is supported by the Havells world-class design and project engineering services, where the consumer is offered with customized solutions for their sites.
For carport, the main problem which we were facing was the latitude for Manesar. Most of the companies, they were not ready to keep on that latitude. Latitude for Manesar is around 24 degrees. For air pressure, most of the companies were not ready to do that. Then we discussed and got Havells into the scene. Our management initially they gave me the blueprint of that. They wanted the open ground should be used in such a way that it should look aesthetically very beautiful. And Havells agreed to do that, and they fulfilled it. One of the reservations for my management was the warranties. We wanted to have a product which can give us extended warranties of long term. We wanted to have all the components should have the similar warranty, and we were looking for the brand which can provide us the same. And finally we pinpointed Havells, who as a brand, they were ready to give us the same thing.
Backed by our revered after-sales service, the customers are ensured a hassle-free one-stop shop package.
The system which you see here is actually a solar carport system spread across 3,800 square meters approximately and can house 60 odd cars. It is expected to generate close to 22,000 units per month, which would in turn result in electricity bill savings of 1.8 to 2 lakhs per month for the customer.
We are offering a unique DC power optimizer based technology which helps in enhancing the performance of each and every module. And in terms of any problem, the customer is able to track the problem for every individual module, which reduces the downtime. With this solution, we are able to generate 3 to 5% more solar energy, which we have been able to successfully demonstrate over here.
A state-of-the-art hot-dip galvanized carport structure was specially created to mount the PV panels, which are designed and executed to withstand 150 km per hour of wind speed. The complete unit has been installed with 512 solar panels, 6 inverters and 256 optimizers, distribution boxes, SPDs, lightning arresters, surge protection devices, cables and module mounting structures.
We have been running this system for the last 6.5 months. And since the day it has started, as per our app, we have saved almost 50 tons of CO2 emission to the environment, and we are happy that we have contributed something to our environment. I found Havells team thoroughly professional team. They know their work. The team is very much knowledgeable. Whatever is expected from them, they are aware about. Till date I am satisfied the way it is working, and it is working the way it has been promised, and I hope that it works for the entire duration of extended warranties which is being promised, and I wish them good luck for that.
Havells Solar PV Solutions, the way ahead.